When I look back on the last 3 years, they've been challenging, but they've been transformational. We've gone through the greatest health challenge of our lives. In Baltimore County, we met that moment by being a national model for things like vaccine distribution. About a year ago, we started vaccinating adults, and now about a year later, we're starting to vaccinate our young people. And both incidents have represented different feelings of optimism and hope.
I have a COVID vaccine.
I've been wanting these kids to be vaccinated since I got vaccinated. I'm very impressed with the leadership of Baltimore County. They have done an excellent job.
We distributed almost 20 million meals. We've prevented thousands of families from being evicted. Rather than losing businesses all over the county, we've saved countless businesses. That's just the pandemic. But then you think about everything else we've done together, both before and through the pandemic. So we passed the HOME Act to stop discrimination based on source of income. I'm proud whether it's investing in our senior centers and expansions at places like Woodlawn or our new plans for a new senior center in northern Baltimore County, to policies and programs like Age-Friendly Baltimore County, where we are working with organizations to ensure that we are a jurisdiction that's meeting the needs of our older residents. We have put forward unprecedented resources so that we could meet the need of all of our kids and guarantee a 21st century education.
This school is like my home to me.
When I hear kids talk about schools as their second home, it gives me a great sense of pride to know how much we've invested. We also have said that we have an obligation to do better by our communities. We were the first jurisdiction to pass bipartisan police reform, banning chokeholds, requiring de-escalation, implicit bias training. One of the things, though, that has been most exciting is when we can take all of our values and have them intersect. So you think about equity and sustainability, and one program that we're particularly proud of is our tree equity program, Operation Retree in Baltimore County.
I think it's a great program. We need more trees throughout communities like Dundalk.
Think about how we've made sustainability front and center in Baltimore County. A climate resiliency plan, unprecedented open space, and investments in our parks and recreation.
She's good.
From including sustainability as a key goal and reducing energy consumption by county agencies. These are all incredible aspects of a county showing that leadership matters.
It is a groundbreaking day in Baltimore County.
We've created the first ever fixed route service with the Towson Loop, and it's a service that we hope to replicate all over the county.
Thank you very much.
Listening to people is the best thing the government can do, and that's what I sought to do when I saw this job, was to listen to communities and empower them, and I'm proud of the ways in which we're doing that.
This administration has probably been the best administration as far as listening to our needs. We've had town halls where people across all party lines have attended and have been represented. And this is the first time I have seen this level of collaboration.
If you've been on the journey with us these past 3 years, stay with us, because you've made such a difference in my life and such a difference in the lives of your neighbors. If you have not yet engaged in the work of Baltimore County, I want to invite you in, because we value your opinion and we're better with it, and we've got a lot of work to do still. So thanks for this incredible opportunity these last 3 years, and please join us in the work ahead, because there's a lot more to do and it's important work.